So this is the second method using product rule. The problem is y equal to e power x tan x. So you take u as e power x and v as tan x, and we'll solve the problem. So when there are two types of variables, means x is in two forms, that is e power x and tan x, both are different forms. Okay. So to solve these method of problems, we'll use this formula. That is u of x v dash of x plus v of x into u dash of x. That is, first thing what you have to do is, you have to keep u and differentiate v, and you have to add the term with the next term. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to e power x into tan x. When you differentiate, it will be secant square x, plus v is tan x, and when you differentiate e power x, it is e power x. Now just take e power x as common. This is the final answer. So when x is in two forms, that is, see now it is in three forms, that is e power x, log x, cot x. So you can't directly use the formula e power x alone for this or log x alone for this. So that is why we are using this product rule. When it is in the product combination, we have to use this formula, that's all. So e power x into log x into cot x we are differentiating first, that is cosecant square x, plus we will keep e power x as simple, then log x is 1 by x, and cot x we will keep as it is. Again in the final thing what we will do, we will differentiate e power x alone, and we will keep log x and cot x as it is. So just taking common and simplifying this given equation, you will find the answer. So this is the product rule. So here u and v both are the differential functions of the x. The differential function that is being exhibiting in the another form in the sense that is u is of e power x and v is of log x. Both are the differential functions of x. So that is why we are using this uv rule. That is, in multiplication we used uv rule. Now this is the method 3. In this, when it is in the form u by v, that is both u and v which are function of x, that is in the form of division and multiplication, that is in the fraction form. So we will use this formula, vu dash minus uv dash divided by v square. So take the given question as x, y is equal to x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1. So u is equal to x square minus 1 and v is equal to x square plus 1 here. So first one denominator is what? V square. Write x square plus 1 the whole square. Next one is, keeping v you have to differentiate u. So v is what? X square plus 1, and u, when you differentiate u, you will get 2x minus, you have to find v differentiation of v, x square minus 1 into 2x. Just simplification, the next steps are simplification. When you simplify, you will find the answer. In the first method, we have directly used the formula. In the second method, we have used product because the two. So now in this third method, differentiable functions are in the form of fraction. So we are using u by v method. So when you read a question, you have to first understand whether it is in the differentiation form or in the product form. See, the given thing is in the product form. So u is x square plus e power x. In case if u is x square into e power x sin x, see here the e power x sin x is in the product form. Here you have to use product formula uv dash plus vu dash. But overall the question is in the form of u by v because both are in the functions of x. So denominator, first write the denominator cos x plus log x the whole square. Next you have to keep v and you have to differentiate u. So in u you have to use e power x sin x in the product formula. So e power x cos x plus sin x into e power x. Now we have to keep as it is and differentiate v, that is cos x plus log x. You have to differentiate and write it. Just simplifying, you will get the answer. You can easily identify whether the given problem is in the form of u by v or uv, or upon keep on practicing the problems. So when you keep on practicing the problems, you will understand how the differentiation functions are being aligned. So e power x cos x is in the product rule, that is both the functions of x are in the multiplication. So it is in the product rule. At the same time, here the function, the whole function x square plus e power x sin x divided by cos x plus log x is in the fraction. So we are using u by v formula. We'll go to the next method.